In today's exploration, we dive into a remarkable and burgeoning sector of the crypto universe, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, or DePin. I'm here to navigate you through a curated selection of DePin projects, each brimming with potential to fundamentally transform our physical infrastructure as we know it. But before we unveil these visionaries and pioneers, let's delve into what DePin truly signifies. At its core, decentralized physical infrastructure networks mark an evolutionary stride in blockchain's application, focusing on the decentralized creation and management of physical infrastructure. From reinventing how energy grids and telecommunications operate to revolutionizing supply chains, healthcare, and financial services, DePin harnesses the collective force of the community to oversee and run vital services. Picture a world where the very backbone of our daily lives, including energy networks, internet nodes, and even financial systems, are cooperatively managed by a global community rather than centralized entities. This innovative model doesn't just aim to slash costs and boost efficiency, it seeks to democratize access to fundamental resources, rendering services more equitable and universally accessible. DePin is not merely a vision of the future, it's a dynamic force reshaping our digital and physical realms today, championing a future where technology fosters community empowerment and sustainability across diverse sectors. As we stand on the brink of this transformative era, DePin is not a distant dream, but a palpable reality, redefining the essence of essential services like energy, internet, healthcare, and finance through the lens of decentralization. This monumental shift toward networks managed by communities heralds a new era of accessibility, efficiency, and equity in service provision. DePin really is about where we are now and where we're headed, bringing us closer to a world that's more connected, powered in smarter ways, and truly sustainable for everyone. Now that we've got the basics down, we're ready to meet the movers and shakers of the DePin world, along with the rising stars who are about to make some serious waves. We'll check out both the big names and the emerging innovators, not in any particular order, because the fun part is discovering them with you. Now that we've set the base, and before we dive deep into the DePin cryptos with high potential, let's see the top 10 DePin projects that have managed to raise the most capital. Let's dive in. Tied for the first two places, each raising $250 million, are Filecoin and Helium. In third place is Render Network with $100 million. Following them are Fetch.ai with $75 million, Livepeer with $50 million, Really with $35 million, Hivemapper and Drena and Braintrust each raising $25 million, and last but not least, Dimo with $20 million. Before we dive into our selected DePin projects, a quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, with that said, let's get a closer look at the potential these DePin projects hold. Moving from our introduction to DePin's transformative potential, we now turn our focus to a project that exemplifies this innovation in action. Render Network, a project that's revolutionizing the graphics rendering industry by harnessing the collective power of DePin. Render stands at the confluence of creativity and blockchain technology, transforming the way digital graphics are rendered. By creating a decentralized network for graphical rendering, Render not only democratizes access to high-powered computing, but also accelerates the creative process for artists and developers across the globe. In the traditional model, rendering high-quality graphics demands significant computational resources, often resulting in prohibitive costs and time constraints. Render, leveraging DePin, flips this model on its head. It connects artists needing rendering power with GPU owners within a decentralized network, efficiently distributing rendering tasks across a vast, underutilized pool of resources. What sets Render apart in the DePin ecosystem is its innovative approach to bridging the gap between the supply of and demand for rendering power. By utilizing blockchain technology, Render ensures a transparent, secure, and efficient marketplace where participants are fairly compensated with the project's native token, thus incentivizing both sides of the market. As Render continues to evolve, it's poised to not only transform the rendering industry, but also to contribute significantly to the growth of decentralized networks. Its roadmap includes expanding the ecosystem, improving scalability, and enhancing the user experience for both providers and consumers of rendering power. In the grand scheme of DePin, Render exemplifies how specialized, decentralized networks can disrupt traditional industries. It's not merely about rendering graphics. It's about rendering a new reality where technology enables a more equitable, efficient, and creative world. Now let's pivot to another marvel within this innovative landscape, Nuco.Cloud. This platform is a beacon of transformation in the realm of cloud computing, challenging and reshaping our traditional perceptions of digital infrastructure. Nuco.Cloud emerges as a democratizing force, extending the reach of computational power to corners previously shadowed by barriers of cost and access. It harnesses the collective might of our underutilized computing capacities, offering a solution that not only enhances affordability for startups and individuals, but also champions environmental sustainability by tapping into idle resources. At the heart of Nuco.Cloud's pioneering approach is its foundation on the Ethereum and Telos blockchains, ensuring both unassailable security and unwavering transparency. It ventures beyond the conventional, introducing us to the concept of a decentralized mesh hyperscaler. This isn't merely about offering storage and processing capabilities. It's about knitting together a sprawling network of interconnected resources capable of standing toe-to-toe with centralized cloud behemoths. Nuco.Cloud distinguishes itself with a pricing model that reacts to market demand, and its commitment to GDPR compliance further cements its position as a secure, privacy-respecting alternative to the likes of Amazon AWS and Google Cloud. Here lies a decentralized challenger, not just in technology, but in ethos, providing a secure, innovative, and accessible platform. As we delve deeper into the DePin domain, Nuco.Cloud exemplifies not just technological innovation, but a profound community-driven movement. It encapsulates the essence of decentralization, offering us a vision of a future where digital infrastructure is as inclusive, widespread, and participatory as the internet itself. Remember Nuco.Cloud as we continue to explore further into the DePin ecosystem, where each project is reshaping our digital and physical existence in unprecedented ways. Continuing the journey through the innovative realm of DePin, we find ourselves at the threshold of Helium, a project that's stitching together the Internet of Things with the fabric of blockchain. Helium stands tall as a beacon of decentralization, redefining connectivity across our planet with a network that's as expansive as it is inclusive. In this dynamic DePin environment, Helium distinguishes itself as a pioneer. It empowers individuals to be architects of a decentralized wireless network. By running hotspots, participants are not just users, they are active contributors, earning HNT tokens for building out the network's infrastructure. This paradigm shift disrupts traditional telecom methodologies, birthing a global peer-to-peer network woven together by the very people it serves. The Helium network's use of proof-of-coverage consensus ensures that hotspots are rewarded for both the wireless coverage they provide and the data transmitted through the network. This POC system is underpinned by a sophisticated algorithm that validates hotspots' contributions, adjusting rewards to incentivize coverage in areas where it's needed most. But Helium isn't just about building network infrastructure. It's also fostering a robust ecosystem for IoT applications. Through the use of data credits, DC, a stable currency pegged to the US dollar, Helium streamlines the transaction fees for data transfers on the network, offering predictability and stability for enterprises and developers. Moreover, the transition of Helium to the Solana blockchain marks a significant milestone. This move enhances the network's scalability and efficiency, reducing transaction costs and enabling a wider range of applications. With its forward-thinking tokenomics, Helium is not merely participating in the DePin movement. It's paving the way for a more connected and democratized digital world. As we delve deeper into this innovative platform, let's keep an eye on the horizon for the next game changers in this space. The convergence of IoT, mobile data, and blockchain through initiatives like Helium suggests a bright future for DePin, a future where technology empowers communities, drives efficiency, and catalyzes growth in ways we're just beginning to imagine. Entering the vibrant domain of video streaming, we meet Theta Network, which stands as a beacon for decentralizing video content delivery. Utilizing the blockchain to harness unused bandwidth across a global network, Theta not only elevates streaming quality, but also empowers creators and viewers, democratizing the reward system. Innovation and community empowerment. Theta's groundbreaking approach not only elevates streaming experiences, but also cultivates a community where viewers contribute to network efficiency and creators enjoy greater autonomy and rewards. The dual token system, Theta for governance and T-Fuel for transactions, incentivizes active participation, advancing the streaming ecosystem. Through strategic partnerships and technological advancements, Theta is broadening its influence, reshaping the landscape of digital entertainment. Its model promises a more equitable ecosystem, where content distribution benefits all stakeholders. Vision for a decentralized future. Theta's endeavors in the DePin sector illustrate a commitment to crafting a more inclusive digital world. This vision champions a future where technology not only serves the collective, but also empowers individuals globally to partake in and benefit from the digital economy. As Theta Network demonstrates, DePin technologies hold the key to resolving long-standing digital infrastructure challenges, fostering innovation, and promoting community engagement. Stay tuned as we explore more DePin initiatives, showcasing the vast potential of decentralized solutions in building a more interconnected and equitable digital landscape. After delving into the world of decentralized streaming with Theta, it's time to pivot to a development that's set to redefine the artificial intelligence landscape within DePin. We're talking about ASI, Artificial Superintelligence, the outcome of an ambitious merger between Fetch.ai, Ocean Protocol, and SingularityNET, three formidable projects that have been at the cutting edge of AI and blockchain. This isn't merely a fusion of technological capabilities. It's a union of visions where decentralized AI meets DePin to foster a more equitable digital future. The combined effort of these entities encapsulates the essence of DePin: decentralized creation and control of significant infrastructures, now extending into the realm of AI. ASI's integration into DePin represents a seismic shift. With the decentralization of data exchange through Ocean Protocol, Fetch.ai's autonomous economic agents, and SingularityNET's dedication to AGI, ASI is poised to supercharge the infrastructure for a community-powered AI ecosystem. In this new era, the synergy within the Superintelligence Alliance amplifies DePin's potential to a scale we've yet to see. This strategic merger within the DePin sector signifies a giant leap towards harnessing collective intelligence on a decentralized platform. It underlines a future where AI doesn't just automate processes, but also democratically enhances human capabilities and problem-solving across industries, from healthcare to finance to renewable energy management. In DePin's embrace, ASI is expected to drive innovation where decentralized applications aren't just efficient, but are smart and adaptive. It stands to propel the community control ethos of DePin, ensuring that AI development is not monopolized, but is shaped by the collective intellect and effort of the global community. By enabling a decentralized and democratically accessible AI on a global scale, ASI aims to bridge the gap between the immense capabilities of AI and the foundational principles of DePin. It's not just about transforming infrastructure, but about reinventing the ways we engage with, contribute to, and benefit from AI in our interconnected world. We're now at the midway point of our DePin deep dive. If you've been fascinated by the project so far, let us know by hitting the like button and subscribing. Ready for more revelations? Stay tuned as we unveil the next set of DePin gems just waiting to be discovered. Continuing our journey into the vast realm of decentralized physical infrastructure networks, we encounter Wi-Fi Map, a remarkable initiative at the intersection of connectivity and community contribution. This ingenious application encapsulates DePin's mission to forge a globally interconnected world by empowering every individual with the access and ability to contribute. The mission of Wi-Fi Map is as visionary as it is pragmatic. It aims to dissolve the barriers to internet access by leveraging the collaborative efforts of a worldwide community. With an expansive database of over 100 million hotspots, Wi-Fi Map is more than an app. It's a movement towards an accessible digital world where every internet user contributes to and benefits from the network. But what problem is Wi-Fi Map striving to solve? In an age where internet access is synonymous with opportunity, the absence of connectivity can mean being left behind. Wi-Fi Map addresses the digital divide by providing a platform for users to find and share internet access. By harnessing the collective knowledge of its user base, Wi-Fi Map targets the issue of unequal access to information, opening doors to knowledge, communication, and advancement. Moreover, Wi-Fi Map's incorporation of blockchain technology with their Wi-Fi token is a testament to the synergy between DePin and the digital currency space. Users contribute to the network by adding hotspots, verifying information, and performing speed tests, and in return, they can earn Wi-Fi tokens. These tokens can then be redeemed for premium services within the app, creating an incentivized ecosystem that rewards community participation. Wi-Fi Map also provides additional value-added services like eSIM for travelers, a VPN for secure internet access, and even a speed test feature to ensure connectivity quality. This holistic approach to community-driven infrastructure is what DePin is all about, leveraging the power of the community to provide essential services in a more inclusive and efficient manner. To sum it up, Wi-Fi Map stands as a beacon in the DePin world, demonstrating how a united community can create a democratized network of shared resources. Its mission and solutions remind us that in the collective, there's power. In shared knowledge, there's freedom. After exploring the ingenious ways in which Wi-Fi Map leverages the DePin model to democratize internet access, our journey brings us to another groundbreaking endeavor: Internet Computer, ICP. Developed by the DFINITY Foundation, Internet Computer is redefining the fabric of the internet itself, aiming to extend its capabilities far beyond what we've known. Mission and vision. Internet Computer's mission is audacious yet straightforward: to revolutionize the internet by creating a decentralized, limitless environment where applications, systems, and internet services can run entirely on the blockchain. It's a bid to dismantle the monopoly of traditional cloud services and establish a truly open, autonomous, and innovative internet ecosystem. Solving the centralization conundrum. The core issue Internet Computer addresses is the centralization of internet services, which has led to inefficiencies, increased costs, and hindered innovation. By facilitating the creation of software and services directly on the internet, without the need for traditional servers or commercial cloud services, Internet Computer aims to bring about a new era of internet utility that is more secure, efficient, and universally accessible. Technological leap. Internet Computer represents a technological leap, offering a scalable and feature-rich public blockchain that hosts smart contract software with unparalleled efficiency and speed. This infrastructure is not only about supporting dApps or decentralized finance, it's about enabling every imaginable web service and application to operate without relying on centralized systems. A community-driven internet. At its heart, Internet Computer is a testament to the power of DePin principles, emphasizing a community-driven approach to managing and expanding the internet's infrastructure. By ensuring that the control and ownership of the internet are distributed across a global network of independent data centers, Internet Computer is paving the way for a more democratic, innovative, and resilient digital future. Future prospects. As Internet Computer continues to evolve, it stands at the forefront of a pivotal shift towards a fully decentralized digital realm. Its potential to host social media, enterprise IT systems, and internet services directly on the blockchain without centralized control opens up a myriad of possibilities for creating a more open, secure, and efficient internet. In essence, Internet Computer is not just another project within the DePin ecosystem. It is a bold reimagining of the internet's architecture, promising to unlock new horizons for innovation, collaboration, and freedom on the web. Continuing our exploration of decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DePin, we now spotlight a project poised to redefine our digital landscape, GPU.NET. At its core, GPU.NET envisions a world where the barriers to high-performance computing are dismantled, democratizing access to the computational power essential for advancements in AI, 3D rendering, and the burgeoning Web3 space. The mission of GPU.NET. GPU.NET is driven by a bold mission to bridge the computational divide, offering an ecosystem where anyone can contribute to or tap into a decentralized pool of GPU resources. It's about turning the vast, often untapped power of GPUs across the globe into a collective force that propels innovation forward. This initiative is not merely about creating a network. It's about fostering an environment where the next leaps in technology are accessible to all, irrespective of their physical or financial constraints. Addressing a global need. The advent of generative AI and other compute-intensive technologies has skyrocketed the demand for GPUs, leading to shortages and bottlenecks that hamper progress. GPU-NET's solution is both elegant and ambitious. Create a decentralized compute network, akin to an Airbnb for GPUs. Here, GPU owners can monetize idle resources, while consumers access the power they need when they need it, without the exorbitant costs and limitations of traditional cloud services. Differentiator GPU-NET distinguishes itself not only by addressing the urgent need for GPU resources, but by laying a foundational layer for Web3 infrastructure. It promises a paradigm where the control of computing power shifts from the centralized entities dominating today's landscape to a decentralized, community-driven model. This approach is not just innovative, it's revolutionary, offering a blueprint for how we might tackle similar challenges across the tech sector. Tokenomics and incentivization. Central to GPU-NET's architecture is its tokenomics, designed to incentivize participation while ensuring the network's sustainability and growth. The native GPU token facilitates transactions within the network, rewarding providers for their contributions and enabling consumers to access computing resources. This model promises a dynamic ecosystem where contributions are directly linked to rewards, ensuring that the network remains vibrant and robust. Future prospects. As GPU-NET continues to evolve, it stands at the vanguard of a new era in computing. Its success could catalyze a shift towards more decentralized, accessible, and equitable computational frameworks, paving the way for unprecedented innovation across industries. By harnessing the collective power of GPUs worldwide, GPU-NET is not just solving a logistical challenge, it's reimagining the future of computation. Diving into the DePin ecosystem, we spotlight IO.NET, a groundbreaking initiative at the forefront of decentralized computing networks. IO.NET's mission is bold and clear: to democratize access to computational resources by harnessing the power of decentralized technologies. This vision aligns seamlessly with the ethos of decentralized physical infrastructure networks, aiming to transform the landscape of computational power availability. Addressing a core challenge, IO.NET tackles the significant issue of computational resource accessibility. In a world where high-performance computing is increasingly vital for innovation, the centralized nature of current services has created barriers. IO.NET proposes a decentralized solution, aspiring to aggregate over 1 million GPUs to offer unparalleled access to machine learning and computing capabilities, breaking down the traditional barriers of cost and geography. A new paradigm in computing. Unlike traditional cloud services that centralize resources, IO.NET leverages a decentralized model, offering a scalable and cost-efficient alternative. This model promises to deliver distributed clusters at a fraction of the cost, presenting a compelling option for those requiring high-performance computing without the high price tag. Decentralized power, central to DePin. By distributing machine learning workloads across a global network of GPU nodes, IO.NET is not just participating in the DePin space, it's pushing its boundaries. The creation of global superclusters capable of massive parallel processing tasks illustrates the transformative potential of decentralization in overcoming current computational challenges. Distinct advantages. IO.NET's decentralized approach provides key advantages over giants like AWS, including flexibility, speed, and cost efficiency. By connecting users to a global pool of GPU resources quickly and at lower costs, IO.NET is setting a new standard for computational access, emphasizing the benefits of a decentralized, community-driven model. Inviting collaboration and innovation, IO.NET calls on machine learning engineers, developers, and visionaries to contribute to a movement that redefines access to computational power. It's a platform that not only changes the dynamics of computing resources, but also invites a collaborative effort to shape the future of technology. In essence, IO.NET is a pivotal component of the DePin ecosystem, embodying the principles of decentralization to make high-performance computing universally accessible. Its approach and mission highlight a shift towards a more inclusive and efficient digital future, powered by decentralized networks. Through IO.NET, we see a world where technological advancements are no longer hindered by access to computational resources, ensuring a level playing field for innovators everywhere. As we near the climax of our DePin exploration, we spotlight Aethir, a pioneer reshaping cloud computing through decentralization. Before we delve into Aethir's world, a big thank you to everyone following our series. Found it enlightening? Show some love by liking, subscribing, and sharing this journey. Your support is immensely appreciated. Let's dive into Aethir, a standout in the DePin landscape, aiming to revolutionize cloud computing with decentralized technology. As demand for GPUs skyrockets, Aethir offers a new approach, making high-performance computing accessible for all. Aethir operates on a model that is both radical and ingenious. It aggregates and redistributes idle GPUs from an array of sources, enterprises, data centers, and even cryptocurrency mining operations. This approach not only breathes new life into underutilized assets, but also promises to significantly amplify global GPU compute availability. The beauty of Aethir lies in its ability to offer a scalable, efficient alternative to traditional centralized cloud services. By breaking down the barriers of access to computational resources, Aethir is paving the way for advancements in AI, gaming, and beyond. The heart of Aethir's ecosystem beats with the ATH token, an asset that transcends the conventional utility of a digital currency. ATH is the linchpin that facilitates transactions within Aethir's network, driving governance, staking, and quality assurance. It's a testament to Aethir's commitment to fostering a vibrant, self-sustaining community where innovation is not just encouraged but rewarded. What sets Aethir apart in the DePin landscape is not just its technological prowess, but its philosophical alignment with the principles of decentralization. It champions a future where the distribution and ownership of digital resources are spread across a global network, ensuring that the benefits of technological advancement are shared by all, not concentrated in the hands of a few. Aethir is not merely offering a service, it's spearheading a movement towards a more equitable, efficient, and interconnected digital future. As we conclude our journey through the world of DePin, Aethir stands as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets intention. Its mission to democratize access to computational resources reflects the broader ethos of DePin, using decentralized technologies to build a future that's more accessible, resilient, and inclusive. Thanks for sticking with us through this deep dive into the DePin landscape. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it.